How to install offline language pack for keyboard voice input on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, scroll down and then tap on General, Management. After that, we go down and tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Now we go down and from here tap on voice input, then tap on install offline language pack. Now from the list here, scroll down and choose a language that you want to use. So for example, this Vietnamese language pack, I want to download that, so I tap on it to download it. And that's it. Now just wait for that to finish downloading, and from there you can turn it on or switch it off. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.